Hi everyone, it's Lori and welcome to my channel. I hope you are all doing well today. So today I am going to do a flip through of this little mini journal that I made for Oohlala Vintage Treasures. And this is going to be my design team project. And I also took this page from her kit, and it's actually a mannequin, and what I have done is made a little dress on it with a little belt and different things on it, so I will show you guys that. And this project, I actually used her La Parisienne Fashion Boutique. She has it in pinks and neutrals. So you guys need to go over and check out Doreen's shop. I will make sure that all of her links are in the description box below. So first we will go over this and what I did. So up here at the top, I just layered some, a little bit of fabric and one of the bows, the word couture, and some flat back pearls up here. And then around her neck, I actually made it look like she has on a necklace. And this here is the bling of her necklace. And then here just got a little frou-frou going out here. And this right here is a piece of, it's a real pale pink, real light pink. This is an applique that I then glued onto there. And this right here, I just had in my stash and put that across there to make it look like a belt. And then I just have some lace here at the bottom. So that is how I embellished that. And then to this little journal, I'll sit down for this. So I just have it tied with some sari silk. And again, you can find all of these digitals in her shop. I am using the neutral, but she does have a pink set in there as well. So here on the cover, I did use just an image from the kit for the front and back. And guys, I actually made this. Let me see if I have one close. And I don't think I do. But guys, this was actually an oversized tea bag. If you look here on the back, there's the string that's hanging out. And you can see it once we open up the back. This right here is actually the tea bag, the big tea bag. So let's see, where's the center at? Ink. It's somewhere. There it is. But if you open it up like that, that is the size of the tea bag. So it was made with that tea bag. I just took some chiffon silk there and made a little bow. I had this little let's see, cluster here in my stash that I used. A piece of lace down the spine, and there's the back, so that lace goes all the way around, and some flat back pearls here at the bottom. So then we open her up, and the inside cover, I didn't do anything to that. And then this is a page, of course, from her kit. Made a pocket here out of one of the embellishments in the kit. Made a couple of little tags there with some crinkled seam binding at the top. This is a coffee dyed glassine bag. This is one of the journaling cards. I just rounded the corner, put some lace down the side, and an applique there. And that just goes in there. And then here, this is a small piece of paper that I had in my stash that's coffee dyed with stencil. And I actually sewed it on there into a pocket. And this is another one of, I think these are the postcards. And I just put some lace down there, and then that, there we go. Yep, right there. And then just that flower there with the pearl in the middle. That's where I sewed that pocket on. And then this right here was also in my stash, just a little window envelope that's been coffee dyed, flat back pearls at the bottom, one of the bows, and then one of the words Paris. This does have a little card on the inside that you can take out. And then that is another beautiful page from the kit. And then this is just a fabric or lace swatch sample. I absolutely love this, how she did that wood in the background. And then here I just made another pocket, a couple of more small tags with that crinkled seam binding at the top. And that's that stenciled coffee dyed paper I have in my stash. This was a small CD envelope. Put one of the bows there from the kit, a flat back pearl, and the word boutique down here. This does have a little card on the inside that shows the 2 mannequins there. And you flip that out. I made this into a pocket. And then just put some of the words from the kit in that little pocket. And then that just flips back. Again, I did sew this on, did a zigzag stitch there. On this page, I put one of the bows from the kit, a flat back pearl. And then this is just a piece of one of the digitals. It just tucks under there. Love that page. And then on this page, I just took one of the words and actually stapled it to the top there. This is the other side of that coffee dyed paper. Had another one of these little clusters in my stash, so I just glued it there. Took one of the images, backed it with book page, made it into a pocket / tuck spot. Another page from the kit, I just cut down, rounded the corners, and put the applique up there for a journaling card. It's so pretty. And then just another one of those lace swatches there. It's the other side of that envelope. And I did stitch the pages in, guys, on my sewing machine. I think that's actually the first time I've ever done that. Love this page. Another coffee dyed stencil with gold. The other side of that glassine bag. I didn't do anything with that. And then here I just took one of the pieces of ephemera and made a small pocket. And then these were just like a lace masterboard. And I just took some different fabrics and laces and just actually used my tiny attacher to attach that. So we have those in that pocket. Okay. There we go. So there's those two. Gosh, that's so pretty. And then this is the back cover, and here is that pocket I showed you. And I just made 2 journaling cards to go in the back pocket there with some lace on the ends of those. And then there is the back cover. And again, I just tied it up with this sari silk here. I hear the birds chirping outside. And just tied that into a loose knot. So that is my design team project for Doreen over at Oohlala Vintage Treasures. Please make sure to go over down in the description box, guys, and go over and check her out. I will make sure that all of her links there. Thank you all for joining me today. I really do appreciate it. I love you guys, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.